So ayun guys, andito tayo sa 5th destination, no? Ayan, ulitin ko, galing tayo sa Maragondon, Cavite na Arco at Maragondon Church. And diba yung isa, yung pinaglitisan ni Andres Bonifacio, at yung kanina lang ay Kaingin Hanging Bridge. At andito tayo ngayon sa famous inukit na bato o stone carvings sa Maragondon, Cavite. So bago ko ituloy yung vlog at nahirapan ako i-search, walang signal dito, basahin ko muna to, ha. The stone carving or inukit was one of the newest attraction in Maragondon. Newest lang, no? Alamin lang natin kung kailan siya ginawa, which was created by the local artist, the Suarez Brothers. It is located at Barangay Kaingin. Malapit lang guys, ha. Pag gagaling yung Kaingin Hanging Bridge, kaliwa lang kayo, tapos kaliwa ulit. Ano lang kayo, papasok lang kayo sa makipot na daan. Pero hindi na malayo, wala pa 5 minutes or 5 minutes. Yan, Maragondon, Cavite, it is a perfect place to visit during Visita Iglesia. So ayun guys, pag ang Maragondon Church ay during Holy Week ay binibisita talaga yan, kasama yan. Pwede kayong tumuloy dito. Yan. Because of the wonderful religious stone curved images that show the character of being religioso of the people in Maragondon. So ayun guys, hindi ko na patagalin. Pakita ko na yung video rito, ha, para mag-move na tayo sa ating final guys, yung ayan, actual Suarez Brothers. Yan, Okabal. Yan, diba meaning yan? So anyway guys, ito yung mga inukit, no? Napakaganda, yan. Hey baby. Yan, mukha ni Jesus Christ. At si Mama Mary ba? At si Jesus Christ. Atensya na kayo, medyo dumiyan. At inabot to ng nung Christine na bagyo, malamang inabot talaga ito ng tubig. Pero maganda, hindi nasisira, di ba guys? Excuse me. Maganda guys, hindi nasisira yung stone carving, no? Ayan, the Last Supper. Ayan naman guys, no? At ito. Ayan, mahirap din guys gawin yan, no? Dito tayo. Ayan, Pope John Paul II. Ayan guys, si Angel. Ayan, Barangay Kaingin, Maragondon, Cavite. So, ayun guys, yan lang naman yung mga inukit na yan. Pero, napaka-artistic kasi nasa tabi siya ng ilog ng Kaingin Hanging Bridge. Ay, ilog. Alam ko yan, ilog yan ng Maragondon River. So, ayun guys, yan lang aking pip vlog. Tama ba ako? Tama. Yan, lipat na tayo guys sa next destination, sa final destination. Pag maaga pa guys, dagdagan natin yung vlog ko, ha.